Buying a motorcycle is the ultimate symbol of freedom, but the wrong choice can quickly turn into a financial nightmare. From soul-crushing repair bills to months spent waiting for parts, some bikes are simply not worth the headache. Today, we are counting down 7 notorious motorcycle models that you should think twice about before signing the title. Starting our list at number 7, the early generation Ducati Panigale 1199. While beautiful, these early models were plagued by excessive heat issues and complex electronic failures that cost a fortune to fix. If you want Italian soul without the constant shop visits, consider the refined Panigale V4 instead. Number 6 takes us to the adventure segment with the first-generation Royal Enfield Himalayan. Early owners reported cracked frames and stalling issues. For a reliable trek, the Kawasaki Versys X300 is a much safer bet. Coming in at number 5 is the Harley-Davidson Street 750, a bike that missed the mark on build quality. With underwhelming brakes and cheap finishes, it lacks the iconic feel. The Yamaha Bolt offers a far superior cruiser experience. Number 4. The BMW G310R. While it carries a prestigious badge, early units suffered from multiple recalls and alternator failures. For a beginner-friendly bike that stays out of the shop, the KTM 390 Duke provides more performance and better reliability. Moving to number 3, we have the Buell 1125R. An ambitious design plagued by oil pump issues and electrical gremlins. Instead of chasing rare parts for a Buell, a Suzuki SV650 offers legendary reliability and a fantastic V-twin engine. Our runner-up at number 2 is the early Can-Am Spyder. Its complex 3-wheel stability system was prone to frustrating sensor errors. Finally, the number 1 bike to avoid, the early Aprilia RSV4. Known for catastrophic engine failures that left riders stranded. Save yourself the heartache and look for a Yamaha R1. It delivers the same track-bred thrills with legendary Japanese dependability. Choosing the right bike is about more than just speed. It is about the rides you actually get to take. Have you owned any of these models? Share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more honest reviews. Ride safe, choose wisely, and we will see you in the next one.